Dear students, let's start facts about Republic Day of India. Know here all the important facts about Republic Day of India. Our Republic Day was celebrated for the first time on 26th January 1950. This was after 3 years of independence. In the year 1930, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru promised Purna Swaraj, but he failed to achieve this goal. So, after independence, although the constitution was completed by 24th November 1949, was implemented on 26th January 1950 due to the historical importance of the day. After independence, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as first President of India, whereas it was 26th January 1950 when he took his oath. We celebrate 26th January on the occasion of the implementation of our Constitution. In the year 1955, the Republic Day parade was held at Rajpath for the first time. It is our President who hoists the national flag on Rajpath on 26th of January. Our President takes a military salute during the parade. Our Republic Day was celebrated between 1950 to 1954 at various places like Irwin Stadium, now known as Major Dhyan Chand National Stadium, Ramlila Ground, Red Fort, etc. India invites a chief guest from foreign countries every year on this national event. The guests invited to witness our first Republic Day were Mr. Malik Ghulam Muhammad, Governor General of Pakistan, and Mr. Sukarno, President of Indonesia. Our national anthem, which we sing on Republic Day and Independence Day, is written by Rabindranath Tagore and is in Bengali. It was Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar who was the chairperson of the drafting committee, and it took 2 years, 11 months, 18 days to complete our Constitution. Awards like Padma Awards, Kirti Chakra and Bharat Ratna are given on Republic Day. Our President addresses us every year on the eve of Republic Day through our national channel Doordarshan. For the first time, the Constitution was written by hand in English and Hindi languages. 308 members of the Legislative Assembly signed the handwritten copies of Constitution on 24th January 1950. The Indian Constitution is the longest constitution in the world. Initially, there were 395 articles, but after many amendments, at present there are 448 articles and 22 parts with 12 schedules. There are approx 1,45,000 words in our Constitution. Original copies of our Constitution are still kept safe in the Library of Parliament House in a helium field case. The Government of India Act 1935 was followed before the implementation of our Constitution. The performers of Republic Day cover a distance of 9 kilometers, especially those who do parade. The speed of a tableau is usually 5 km per hour during the parade so that visitors can easily see them. The rehearsal of Republic Day is completed by the 24th of January itself. The fly past aircraft fly from various Air Force stations and arrive at the destination Rajpath at the same time. 41 aircraft participate in this program. The Beating the Retreat program is the end of the Republic Day celebrations and is performed on 29th January. The program runs for 3 days and ends with a Beating the Retreat ceremony. Abide With Me song is usually played on the Republic Day parade and was a favorite song of Mahatma Gandhi. It was the French army and band which took part in the Republic Day parade. It was the first foreign army to be its part in the year 2016. Mobile phones, cameras, and any kind of electronic devices are completely banned in the Republic Day celebrations at Rajghat, New Delhi. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.